Hello, let's connect Rocos. Rocos, welcome. Hey, welcome back. We're gonna start back testing for February from the first week of February. In Nasdaq Counter Futures, I have the second chart ready here. If I want that, I will take that. So let's just keep it here for reference. Let's keep the 1 hour chart of this level. What happened to this? No delay. Yeah, this is a big gap. Okay. See. Let's keep it here. Now, this is the daily chart. So let's start back testing for everything okay. It's 11 1 p.m. So let's start. Alt plus click. Oh, nice. We can just alt plus click and give that here. Alt plus and rows. What is this? Alt plus star. Okay. Alt plus click. Yeah, I got it now. Great. Okay, we'll see. Let's totally take the web plus setups here um, and just see how this February of 2025 will perform. So let's mark this. Where will price go? I have the price will go to this low here or to this high here. Mm, we can say that these are in this gap, so the continuation from this gap is also expected. Let's mark this also for just reference. So these are great. Let's wait for this around this level. So let's start. Mm, think we are inside this level. I don't know what to do now. Hmm. This is the first opening of. Let's see. I don't know where should we go. So I think we are more of in a bearish than bullish though. I think we can just pull up and pull down. I think. And this is Monday, so it is risky to take a trade from here. We only want to take a trade either from here. Uh, think the best look for after this sweep. Yeah, let's just see how this 50-minute will behave. So okay, this is the opening gap here. Okay, we didn't sweep anything. We can play the 50-minute here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we don't creep any highs here. We still have this high. We still have this high here. You already see it. This high is still there. And where is this high? Is that high? So let's just watch price action for now. I want to take it away from here. Okay. Instead of that, we have internal liquidity below these zones here. So what we can expect here is we can look for any like a gap like this is formed here. So basically there may be liquidity there. So let's watch that level also. So before this to get swept also. Okay, so save that level. Let's look for any possible shorts. Yeah, we have a 5 minute gap here. We tapped into that 5 minute. Okay, we want that countdown to close also. Mm, let's see how this performs. We just opened the 15 minutes, so there is a possible short here. Like you can short this if you want. This is an equal low. This is a great trade. You don't have any 5 minute there. We only have a 15 minute here, but I think the 15 minute is closed now. I also want to close up. I think this is a great trade. I don't see any problem here. Let's put the break even. Check it right here. Plus 1% on a one-to-one trade. Yeah, can put it to break even since we are in this range. Yeah, we got break even. Mm, okay. We set this lows and formed an SMT with this lows. We set this equal lows here. Yeah, we did reject from that level. That means we have a possibility for short. So for some 30 minutes, she can for 30 seconds. You're good. You want one more session indicator. Sure, nothing. Oh, you're not anything for them for this nothing. Oh, no, sunlight is something wrong. Like, um, so it's like 7, 8, 9, 8, 9. 2.5 hours. Okay, so 1, 2, I think this 8:30, so 1 hour. Exactly 9:30. Eating 14, 5:30, and they are on hold. This is perfect. I can see what's before it. Okay. We won't done this is your boss. Everyone, yeah. Um, there's in a 5 minute gap. Let's see how this performs. Like, that's one done. I'll take this 30 second because doesn't feel so right. Okay, we said maybe still no. We don't have anything here. Think we need to see back what we can do here. We have this crazy momentum inversing all of this, and we are still like downtrend. So I'm not take this either. I didn't take that one because we are mostly in a bearish trend, but we are inside this 4 hour. I didn't notice that 4 hours. So that my mistake. And we have a lot of low resistance liquidity sitting below this level. So that is obviously a win if I notice that, but um, I didn't. So it's okay. Shit can happen. Let's see if we can get a continuation up to the upside. Yeah, we tap into the newly marked blue zone when we open the market. I think the new session is done here. Yeah, we see that high. Now we don't want to look any further because we are already past the new section AM session. So um, let's just mark this here. Let's mark the 4 hole. We fill this region here. It up into this 4 hour. We closed above. Yeah, we are bullish. Want to continue to the upside. There is a 4 hour sitting here. We're rejecting of that 4 hour. So we are likely to just consolidate there. This is Tuesday, I think. Yeah, this is Tuesday. Mhm. See if we can get another. I think there's equal highs below because there we are not going to go there. I think we want to go lower. I think we will sweep this Soho first. Let's mark this first before making any decisions. This is the 4 hour gap we are talking about. Um, I think this 4 hour is not a strong one because this formed around like with this level. So I think more strong is this big one here. So continuation from to the upside is more of a good decision we can make. I think this 30 minute, there is no 30 minute, there is no 15 minute. We clearly have liquidity below this region. So mm, let's see. Let's see if we can sweep these to the highs. No, nothing. Yeah. Are we involves these levels in the 5 minute, I think. Still have this equal velocity here. We have this equal highs here. Tap into this 15 minute gap here. We got the rejection here. I think we are more bullish than bearish. Yeah, yeah. But we have this low resistance here. But we have more. Let's see if we can just get a tap into this any of these 500 level before taking these highs to get a continuation. Okay, we formed another 500 gap here. Let's see if we can tap there. Ah, we didn't get a retracement. Yeah, we take this draw here. I think we have a much higher draw. No, we didn't get any reaction from we set these highs. I think we have more draws above. Like this is a great level. So for continuations, there's a 15 minute gap. Just plus mark that 15 minute before looking at the 5 minutes. So nah, I didn't get a retracement. Yeah, here we have a one. Here we have one, but I don't think that is a strong one because we just have that. Maybe into this 15 inch. 30 minutes. So let's see if we can add that 15 minutes. Other 5 minutes. And let's see. And up. I don't want to take any trades. Let me off this one from. Here we go. After tapping into this region, we can maybe target this low resistance liquidity. If it doesn't get any like, but I need to tap that level first. Okay. So I think we are past this trades. We have a very highly strong bullish trade. It's 9:30 of Wednesday. Let's see the daily. So We closed about this. We just got a bit rejection. We closed about, so I think we are bullish. Our draw is most likely there. We are inside this 4 hour. It's just a rough punch. We tap into this big 4 hour, so we are more about a bullish trade, bullish trend. Then this is our final draw. There is no very not very convincing levels for me to take in earnings here. There is not even a like. I think we can sweep this. I think we can get a sweep of this level here, this ankle low. Mm, let me get this level. Let's see if we can get a trade. Mm, we didn't tap into any levels. Yeah, inside this 4 hour. So to keep in mind that yeah, we tap into this 15 minute here. So it is a great level to look for longs if we have any. Either way, we have a chance, pretty good chance here, since we are. Yeah, this is a valid long, but we are not any gap. But here we have in a 15-minute gap, so that is valid. And let's look for better trades. Mm, I think we have continuations. Three. Look at the drainage. Look at this reward. Let's see the thing. Let's see. Yeah, that's a pretty good rejection, but I think some kind of gap. Either in it, 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, not close. We swept these equal highs, like these highs. But look at this, these are not strong. We just grab these high trust difficulty. But still we have an equal low here. I think it's time to switch out bias. Mm, we caught something interesting here. We smash left. Like we got an SMT with this high here. We got an SMT. So if we can close below this, like this 1 minute, we can definitely go short. Oh man, come on. I'm not taking this, but definitely this is a valid one. I like more longs. Slow. Maybe I look for some kind of something with this close. My draw is higher this level. Yeah, I'm definitely delivering to that draw. Let's see. I'm taking this long I really like this law here. I will put break even. I will put this target here for a 1 to 2. My break even will be at this level. Look at the 1 minute. This is a bit risky trade because you know that we are already inside this we inverse this 4 hours, so we are definitely bullish. We did make some lows here. This is I will take it as a high time frame trade than a lower time frame. I may put this here, this body crosser here. Let's see the reactions in the 5 minute. Okay, I'm going to take this trade. So I don't know what will happen, but definitely this is worth a try. Breaking at these highs. Yeah, well, then time for a break even. Yeah, we have that draw here also, but we swept that partially. So I will definitely pull my SL to this low here. Because if we want to continue, we will definitely continue from this level here. I will put it below this border block here. So this is a 5 minute, so I will put it here. Where is this open? This is okay, this is after 11, so I'm going to pull up a little bit. I definitely put it here. Okay, for $1,000. We can definitely okay. I'm out of this trade. Yeah. Like here we can see that our draw is there. We can definitely go to that draw. Look at that. Wow, clean. Okay, but we got some profit, $1,000 with 1%. Yeah, my entry was around, I think this 1 minute. Entry was this 300 inversion. This 300 inversion. Then I entered on this retest. Entered on this retest. Like when I got this rejection, I almost confirmed that outflow is higher. This was a pretty much clean price action here. I put my break in around here, this level. Actually, we can short this thanks to these lows. But our high time frame low is first time I marked back. So structure aligned with us. We are in a big fair value gap. Definitely want to go this to these equal highs. What a great trade. Let's go to the next section. Let's see. Should I also a bullish name? This is a pretty easy trade. We can see that we have pretty easy draw there. Inside this 1 minute gap, we are from this order block. how this equal highs level. Just let's look at this here. Yeah, we got a SMD with this high, so we can see that we got an SMD with these highs. Like this high got swept here, so it's no longer our draw. Form maybe higher. Mm, I don't know. Maybe we are definitely we should just sub this higher time. Right. We just sub this previous day low highs also. I don't know about this trade, man. Come on. Okay. Still, we can look for a rate long to these highs. I don't care if it doesn't work. If we get a 100, we manage to stay in that. Not less guess. Guess. Yeah, this is definitely a look at that. I think we are inside a 1 hour. I don't think we need to sub few more levels before. I think I need to turn on the Asians and Asian rule conditions. That's for our reference, okay? Okay, these are the London highs. Already said the Asian. So then we got a valid reaction. This is pretty a strong reaction. We can say this unit got involved. If we can get also a CHOS, we can consider this trade. But this is actually not my setup. It's a pretty bad trade, but I will just take it as a demo trade. Okay, this is equal highs here. Wow, we will definitely draw this. Okay, let's see if we can get a continuation. Yeah, we will get a continuation here. If there is no 1 minute, I will take in this 30 minutes, 30 seconds. I think we got swept. We have this equal lows here. The this small okay. Now we got a clean one. This is a air trade for me. I'm not looking for much, but I think we already take these highs. We already take the London highs. I think we need the same indicator on the um all this indicator and the layout. Okay. So okay. Now we already you can see that we already set the London highs, but still our draw is higher and we tap into this 5 minutes. So I think this is where we actually set the high. So sorry, this is where we set the high. So we that is a too long ago. So I think this draw is still valid. I think we have a pretty nice setup here, but we only risk here is we set this internal high. So I don't actually like to trade already swept highs, and we are rejecting off this 5 minute. I would say, I'm in doubt about this trade. See the 1 hour here. Okay. eh, Okay. It's a risky trade for. I will close it. Yeah, that was a risky trade. And now this is a valid. Yes. This was a very obvious shot since we get this inversion, and we should probably go for a like. Hmm, mm, okay. This is a valid one. Now our draw is higher. We can inverse this 30 second. We are taking it anyway. We inverse this one with a good pretty good, very good option. Let's look at 5 minutes for a bit. Yeah, I will say we don't have much momentum as the previous one, but we are very good. Sure, true. Here. We don't have any equal lows below. We don't have any very much very strong throws, but what we have here is we have a very good draw here. What I was thinking is I should put my break even. These are a pretty strong draws, but I think we already swept these lows here. I think we already swept this. This is very bullish right now. So I am very happy to take this trade. Let's see how this performs. Okay, 30 seconds. Mm, let's 4 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute looks good. Oh man, come on. Should I close this one? This is definitely take your result, so closing it is the best decision. Is the 1 minute closed yet? No. Okay. We got a start. Let's see. Motherfucker. Um, what went wrong here? Wrong, maybe I took the 30 second instead of the 5. 30 seconds looks so strong. Either way, if there is no 30-second inversion, there is one at here. that will actually inverse this whole system. But I will not take this since we actually made this lower resistance liquidity below. Like this LR is printing below, so here we have equal lows form, so yes, I won't take this trade. I'll probably look for a short form. But this is so clean, like our draw was perfect. We tap into this 5 minute. Then we got an inversion of the 30 seconds. Great trade. Uh, got two trades and one win and one lose. What far? Let's see. Let's look for another trade possible. Actually, this is a great level for a short, in my my opinion. Hmm. But continuation looks so nice. I think we have our draws even higher now. I think we got that. We got this move here. We still have higher. We have potential here. Look at this. We deliver from this 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute rate. Break in at these highs. I don't like taking a trade after I got a lose because I may be emotional at that time. But this looks so strange about a 16 point stop delivering from a 5 minute continuation. Yet since we done this either way we said that, but I don't care. We said that because we still have this equal lows here, equal highs there. Overall, this is a great trade. I don't actually regret taking this trade. Nah. What about the 30 second? How the 30-second looks? I can't see the 30 seconds, so skip a 1 minute. Let's see the 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Yeah, great. This is why I don't like taking a trade after a loss because most of the time it will lose and fucking blow through our result. This price action, what the fuck is this? Look at this 30-second big giant ass candle just chopping around. Not even a momentum. Okay, we're going to sweep these highs, I think. We printed LR here and we swept that here, I think. No, we still have time. Actually, if I get the proper trade to the upside from any of these levels, I'll probably take the trade. Yeah, I think we get one more candle. Yeah, great. I need a bullish close. Yeah, this is perfect for a long. I'm not taking this trade. I'm just saying that this is possible because we have the LR in this lower time frame. 1 minute candle We still have very pretty good cover since we don't have any draws below. We can definitely go to the upside. Let's see. There is no draws here. We already swept this. We already swept this. We are in this 5 minute. What a great trade it be. Let's see. Okay. Good thing we didn't take that. Let's skip to the 5 minute and let's see which was the draw actually. Okay. So what is here? Yeah, we can still go higher. No. Actually that was perfect. 1 to 1. Take that one. Why did I mark this level? I don't remember marking this level. Okay, either way, we got stop there, then go further. I don't think I will get profitable with this 1 to 1, man. Come on. I'm a striker for something is off. Okay, this is the highs, I think. That's not my kind of sketch. And I'm going to sweep this at highs. We are bullish trading. You can target these highs after we set Oh man, come on. Don't play with me, Nigesh. Don't play with me, Nigesh. Yeah, but me, one we have here. This look like a fucking magnet, but let's see, where is it here? On the 1 hour. Did we sweep it in the 1 hour? No, we didn't. Yeah, we did sweep it in the 1 hour, so doesn't matter. So let's remove this. I think our draw is higher. Yeah, our draw is definitely higher, man. Come on, let's go. Let's mark this. Okay. And let's mark the 1 hour, already 1 hour, no 1 hour, 1 50 minutes, no 5 minutes, no 15 minutes. Nothing. What the fuck? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Click on the 15 minutes. See that price action. Okay. Okay. We fucking blow through that. Then what? Then what? Motherfucker. Okay, we said that. Okay. We got that. Nah. Oh, I was skipping 5 minute. Fuck. That was the problem. Like I was looking at the 5 minute. I didn't put it on the 1 minute. That's my bad. I'm stopping to look for 30 seconds. I'm concentrating on 5 minutes. Sorry, 1 minute from 1 minute now. So I'm not going to take any 30 seconds. So, do we have anything below? Nah, I don't think so. But if around the 4 hour, we see even with that, then we have these highs here. If want, we can go there. I don't change any good draws. I think this is a good draw. I think this is a good draw. Let's see the chart. I don't think I didn't get any retracement to the fine edge. I'm only taking retracements. Okay. So we can see we got the retracement to the fine edge. Well, 50 minutes in some. Good. See, imagine. Look at that. We see that the highs that allows. Do we have any pros below? No. For me, we don't have any pros. But here we can see we set all these pros here. Then we go here. We sub these here. So from here, I am very bullish. We have this highest target. We can remove this. Let's see. We got anything? Nah, come on. To take this trade, we need to invest this big ass candle. So I'm not waiting for that. I may take this 1 minute here. Okay. But if you want to go to that 1 minute, we need to go to that 5 minutes. So let's see. There is not momentum. There is not enough momentum to take. Okay. Let's see if we can get one more. Nah, come on, what a shit. That's why I should fix this. Let's see. In 5 minute top, in 15 minute top, nothing. 15 minute yeah. Nothing. Oh, come on. We print LR here, so there's a good chance we see through this house. Wow, great. I am very excited to say that we are bullish. I think we invest the 2 minutes just enough for us to go long, but I don't want to take this as I am wrong multiple times. I'm a bit long area. Mm. And I like this trade very much. I think our pro is to this size, but there is a 71 point stop there. I don't know, but they're not taking a real account, so wait. Let's skip to the 5 minute maybe. Just to know that there is a actual. Oh, okay, that's a good thing we didn't make. Let's skip to the next day. So I know that after the fucking lows, I'm taking every possible. Like if a draw was this was my draw, and I have failed one trade, I am looking for this trade multiple times, even not from that level, but I am looking for in a different level. So that should be stopped. I think one loss per day and one win per day, that is enough for me. I'm not taking any more than that. So look at these here. These are the perfect draws today. These are calling to me that it will definitely go to that level. So let's see what we can do anywhere. Like here we have one. Let's see. Wow, I suddenly put it on one. So yeah, I really want to take the CHOS entry because I didn't get any inversion, but still I'm staying with my plan for just for now. I don't want any bad thing to happen. Because I didn't do the right thing. If the strategy didn't do any shit, I don't fucking care. I think we have a 30 second. Yeah, we have a 30 second here, but I don't want any 30 second. I don't like 30 seconds anymore. Yeah, that was a perfect decision. I think. I think. Yeah. We took that. And now what? Now we have a 2 minute gap, perfect for our entry. Let's see that. What? Okay. This is the fucking trade. If this fails, I am going to jump into a fucking lake. Come on. This is the perfect fucking trade. If this fails, man, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay? This is the perfect fucking ass trade I get in a long time in this strategy. Come on. If this fails, man, come on, I don't know what should I do. This will be our break even. It's a perfect trade, man. Perfect. I don't see any reason this fails. Okay. Okay, let's see the 2 minute run. Okay. Come on, man. Come on. Fine. What is happening, bro? What I'm doing? I don't even know, man, what I'm doing, man. Come on. Why does this doesn't follow? Because maybe I'm wrong in my bias. Yeah, we are bullish. Maybe I short on the bullish market. I don't know, man, what I'm doing, man. Not a shit test prices. I'm not taking a trade from here. I just need to know that. Like, if I get any another entry from here, I'm not going to take it either because I don't want to end up, man. Come on, man. What is this shit? What is this, man? Come on. I'm on a fucking 2% draw, you shit ass motherfucker. Oh man, I need to cry, I need to try. Come on. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I need to watch some more bullshit ass videos to get me over with this shit. Come on, bro. I'm doing something wrong. Come on. What is that? Shit ass. Think like a motherfucker. Bitch. Let me close this door now. Okay?